is incorrect. It's incorrect. So frictional force opposes relative motion. It is correct. So when two surfaces are in contact, frictional force tends to make them move together, so therefore it opposes the relative motion. Limiting value of static friction is directly proportional to the normal reaction. Yes, this is also true, because the limiting value of static friction is mu s into n, where n is the normal reaction, so therefore this is correct. Rolling friction is a smaller than sliding friction. Yes, that's also correct, because when the rolling is happening, okay, and when the sliding is happening, so in sliding what happens is, so when this is sliding, so this is at zero velocity, but this is having a velocity of v. But when rolling is happening, so this point is having velocity v, and due to the translation motion, and omega r due to the rotational motion. So therefore v minus omega r is the net velocity, which is actually zero in terms of rolling. So therefore the rolling friction is smaller. Okay, coefficient of sliding friction has dimensions of length. That's wrong, because the frictional force is equal to mu k n. It's kinetic dynamic friction. So therefore mu k is equal to frictional force divided by the normal force. Now this is also in Newton and this is also in Newton, so gone. So mu k is actually dimensionless. Okay, so therefore this option is the correct option. Thank you.